Hello guys, today we are going to Trdinov Vrh. I'm going with my father. You can see him there walking. So yeah. I really like this road. It looks so beautiful. Here we can see the tower up there, the telecommunication tower. That's our goal. That's the summit. And you can see my father walking down there. And yeah, it's super nice, super warm, super sunny. I can say that this year's autumn has been really nice to us because we have a lot of good weather. Here you can see that we are 10 minutes away from the summit, but we'll be there in 5. Here we have found a little bit of snow left. Nice. We have reached the summit of Mount Trdinov Vrh. Here can we see a chapel from the 16th century, Saint Louis, and we can ring the bell here. Nice, super nice. Beside this church that I mentioned earlier, there is a mountaineering safe house. If you are stuck here in bad weather, you can come here and survive the night. Here you can see this telecommunication tower that I mentioned earlier. So now we have arrived to the mountaineering house under Trdinov Vrh called Gospodična, and we have ordered tea and Slovenian native liquor called Schnapps, and now we're gonna drink it. Na zdravje.
Na zdravje.